We have Jocelyn Delk.
Best-selling cookbook author and celebrity chef.
She makes cakes so good, it'll make you want to slap your mama.
She brought us some delicious recipes, and it's all from her new cookbook, Everyday Grand. I mind those cookies.
I know you are a cookie man. Oh!
We invited 3 bakers to participate in an explosive cook-off. Now's your chance to get a taste of the competition. Download Candy Crush Saga to get ready for the tournament.
This is Santa's Baking Blizzard finale.
This is a huge challenge. I really want to see some personality, and I definitely want to see polish and clean lines and execution in everything that they do.
This is Stab That Cake.
Remember, bakers, your cakes need to look real enough so that the stabbers won't detect them, and they need to be delicious just in case of a tie.
This is my peach Bellini.
Oh, damn!
Wait, is it good? Is it popping?
It's so delicious.
By the way, that's another home run.
Yes.
Jocelyn comes here and hits home runs every time.
Thank you.
Get the recipe.
Thank you.
She never misses.